Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Ni kasngiu MLE ka Jowai waman le umantri ka chat sports and youth affair o wailan mikishala dalai pa ju ye kre ya ka swimming pool ka em hakiang nang ba government college Jowai kani ka swimming pool to ka wada chna kam chibenta yong ka Meghalaya games araja arpausan ka wada man hau news nem tang wana ki daw wam yu pyndep hipor da ha wo kun ria no ya ka yakob yimpa shalong hiwa ikre le da man no I usakun ya wailat miki senran da chief engineer ka chat sports wa ki wi ki sahab sarkar Hadin wa pa ikre o wailat miki da ong wa ikre kan ni dalai I chakmat he wa da pyndep ka waso pau persen san pau persen ikre he to wa ipor wa pyndep ya ikre o wailat miki da ong wa kat kam wa ya kalamo wa ki wa kre da onggi wa pyndep lut ya ikre ha o mach araja arphonru we ni liang yong o le da banjuru wala man kat wa man le ikre to o pyndep ha po ipor de wa penne ye mian na mo ka quality mto wa kre jahan hi e
to mo ka to main intention to katai one go apart as a kind of blessing ne tayong ka Meghalaya games tang mai tipor ne paslim ke sanction tem biri ki ka pyndep ipor ten rehan kat tele ngas ni amut sen da yi dem kam mu yo I hanam yo ka pyndep kam Meghalaya games le ten ni sngi kam rong da chimle ka bu ko ba la li pa ye ka tu te da lai da check ko kat kam pa ye le on the ground ka kam da lai ka chkmat da pa yi melum mala kam ba 40 to 50% ka kam ka physical progress da lai ka chkmat te bat ha ju por ka li le ki ka time nai menu to pyndep te da khana ki to yong ma chung ne mar jar ar kon ru next year te to ngai ki de direction ki wa to pyndep ki on time pyndep ya tu nang ne pha yo ka pyndep kam terong ki la kam mu pu pyndep ki hepor kam jo le maintain ni ya ka quality to kre chan kre sa pyndep ki hepor han re ka quality ban me he jo por ban jo to ka quality le to maintain swimming pool malung la kat kam ni de ki nga ko assurance by March of next year 2026 to pyndep ki tengah more or less ngapa yo mem jing u ye pyndep ki ya ka tu tengah marta te na jan by March next year yo ka pyndep